In this video, we're going to have you do an exercise to test your knowledge of some key Android 7 concepts. So first, we're going to have you list 4 significant behavioral changes in Android 7. Then we're going to have you list the valid states a multi-window can have displaying a video. Then we're going to have you list 3 important steps to be done when testing applications for multiple windows. We'll have you list 3 capabilities of picture-in-picture supported functions. Then we'll have you list 3 core functions of the recording session package. And finally, list 3 ways administrators can manage devices deployed in an enterprise environment. Now we're choosing kind of list 3 or list 4 here just at random. And for most of these, there could be a lot more possible answers. But again, if you're able to get 3 or 4, then that's enough to know that we're on the right track. So go ahead and pause this video, research the answers, jot them down, and then come back and resume this video, and we'll compare our responses with your responses. So for the first one, we asked you to list 4 significant behavioral changes in Android 7. So if you had things like dozing feature, CPU optimization, RAM, memory optimization, perhaps you might have had notification enhancements or enterprise work environment enhancements, any of those would have been acceptable answers. Then we had you list the valid states a multi-window can have displaying video. And effectively, we're just looking for pause, start, and stop. Those are effectively the states while displaying video. Next, we asked you to list 3 important steps to be done when testing applications for multiple windows. So this could have been anything from launching additional applications in those windows, resizing any split screens, evaluating the performance while running multiple windows. Any of these type of answers would have been acceptable. Next, we asked you to list 3 capabilities of picture-in-picture supported functions. And our goal here was really to make sure that you were familiar with some of those key functions, and going to research the answer to this, you would have no doubt encountered them. So that could have been anything from, say, on picture-in-picture mode changed, on pause, on stop, any of those 3 or more. Enter picture-in-picture method is another one that you might have had on your list. These are all acceptable answers for this question. And then we asked you to list 3 core functions of the recording session package. So probably the 3 that stood out the most were recording session .onTune, .onStart recording, and .onStop recording. So if you had those 3, again, you found the right package and you had the right exposure to what we were looking for. And finally, list 3 ways administrators can manage devices deployed in an enterprise environment. And if you had anything related to managed profiles, or managed configuration, or managed devices, or leveraging development methodologies or development approaches, anything along these lines, and you would have had the correct answer. So hopefully your answers were very close to ours. If not, just do further research and further analysis and studying, and redo the test, and hopefully your answers are in closer alignment.